Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the cursor exactly where the new page should begin. This is critical for predictable layout. Once done, press Ctrl plus Enter or go to Insert and choose Page Break to push following text to the next page. This creates a hard break that keeps headers and footers intact and avoids multiple empty paragraphs. Make sure to use page breaks rather than repeated Enter keys, because they give consistent spacing and simpler editing later when you rearrange or format the document. After basic breaks, you'll often need more control. That's where section breaks come in. If you want different headers, footers, page orientation, or margins, go to Layout Breaks and pick Next Page or Continuous depending on the change you need. Once you insert a section break, make sure to unlink headers or footers if you want unique content. Also, turn on Show /Hide Paragraph and open the navigation pane to confirm break positions so you don't accidentally split content or lose formatting. To finish, tidy up by revealing formatting marks and deleting any unwanted page or section break markers. If you need the same layout but different flow, replace a page break with a section break. Conversely, merge sections by deleting the section marker. One key troubleshooting tip: if a stubborn blank page remains, show Paragraph and inspect for an extra paragraph or a next page section break. Delete that specific marker rather than repeatedly pressing backspace, and then update headers and footers to confirm everything looks correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.